Well, hello, friends. Today we're making this not too spooky Halloween tree with our upgraded dollar pumpkins from Halloween's past, some LED lanterns and candles, and it is just so great. I'm using my Christmas tree that happens to have a purple light setting on it, and it's just bringing everything together during the day. And I just want to show you guys how easy it is to throw together a last minute pumpkin tree like this. Now, like I said, my Christmas tree happens to have a purple setting on it, but getting purple lights this time of the year is super easy. I also have my soft twinkle lights on that I use every year. I absolutely love them. They're a very cool twinkle light that's nice and soft and subtle. So get your tree ready, and then let's get into the bigger materials that you need. I'm using dollar pumpkins that I have upgraded, and I will link to the tutorial below on how crazy easy it is to do. And then I happen to have some cool lanterns with some glitter and spiders on them. I have these cool pumpkin lanterns that have these cute little spirals on them. And these are the bigger elements that we're going to be using. Obviously with LED candles, please don't use real candles. Don't be that person. Now, the first things first, got to put our cool creepy owl, who's not really creepy, but he's cute, little owl on top. And then I have this random tubing that I picked up from Goodwill, which I'm pretty sure was actually $1 beforehand. But either way, I just wanted it to kind of look like kind of chaotic, just shenanigans on the tree, because I think Halloween doesn't have to be as precise as Christmas. But if you're putting anything like that on, put it on first. And then the biggest items are easier to put on first. So that's why I'm putting my kind of caged lanterns on with the lights already loaded into them, and you can take a look and see how I space them out, and that's why we do them first, so we have plenty of room to work around and with them. And so the next element are all of the pumpkins. Now I just used fishing line, made 2 strands or so just to hook them onto the tree really easily, and then boop, we get them on there and they look so great. So we're going to use the black sequin drapes from my pumpkin display I made earlier this year, and just wrap that around the bottom of the tree. Just one panel is all you need to make essentially a tree skirt in a pinch. The sequins are really forgiving, so nobody can really tell, and they look great. And we need a little something extra, and my friends at Shop Wildings were kind enough to send me these cute little lanterns, which are adorable, and I put some LED tea light candles in, and they kind of help fill in this space a little bit. Now during the day, with just the candles on, it looks a little weird, I'll be honest. I think it looks much more adorable with the lights on, at least during the day, and you can see that the lights kind of have this not spooky, but just this fun kind of mischievous glow to them, and they help illuminate the pumpkins during the day, which is really great if you're using this tree and you want to, let's say, have a afternoon Halloween party. This is going to look really great. But then in the evening, it gets a little bit nicer. Now you can see this is the evening with the full lights on. It looks super magical. Even the puppies are having a good time napping by it. And I get to reuse a lot of the pumpkins that I've had for my display that I made earlier this year. And last year I used those same pumpkins in a tablescape. And the most important thing about this is I enjoy making it. I hope it inspires you to make something. And if you're looking for a reason to bust out your Christmas tree early, I hope this is the sign that you were looking for, because this is what it looks like at night. And with these LED candles being on timers and remotes, oh, they're so cool. So cool. I love it. Going to bed every night and getting to see this right beforehand just puts a smile on my face. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe. I love making seasonal content, and if you're into it, you're going to love my channel. Thanks for watching. What do you think, Wally? You like my tree? Did my tree look good? Maybe. Maybe. Okay, you go back to sleep. Okay.